Did you know that the person who makes a moment possible almost never gets to witness it? He had been sharpening blades for 30 years. Every morning, the same stone, the same angle, the same quiet focus. Warriors came and went. He never asked where they were going. He never needed to know. His hands understood the work. A dull edge given patience becomes something that can save a life. He believed that. But belief and feeling are two different things. Then one night, a soldier appeared at his door, tired, scarred. Holding a sword the old man recognized by the grain of its handle. The soldier sat down slowly and said only this, "Your edge kept me alive when nothing else could." The old man did not speak. He just sat with the weight of that sentence. All those quiet mornings, all that invisible effort, it had mattered in ways he would never fully see. This is the truth about faithful work. You do not need to witness the moment to have shaped it. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.